Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for an easy way to make money online with zero experience? TimeBucks lets you earn real cash by doing simple tasks like watching videos, answering surveys, and even scrolling TikTok. In this video, I will show you exactly how TimeBucks works in 2025, step by step, and how you can start earning today as a complete beginner. TimeBucks.com. TimeBucks.com is a legit get paid to platform where you earn money by watching ads, taking surveys, posting on social media, playing games, even just logging in daily. And the best part, you can join from anywhere in the world. To get started, go to timebucks.com and create a free account. Click on sign up button, then enter your email address, then create password and select the authentication box, then check mark, then sign up. Easy. You can sign up with your email or log in with your Facebook. Once you are in, you will land on the main dashboard where all the tasks live. Here's where it gets fun. You can earn money multiple ways. Service. Click on agree and service. This pay the most. Each one pays 25 cents to $2, like that, around $1. View content, watch slideshow or short ads for easy cents. Offer walls, download apps, sign up for free trials or try games to earn up to $10 per task. TikTok tasks, like or follow TikTok accounts for quick earnings, daily login bonuses. You can get paid just logging in every day. Once you hit the minimum balance of $10, you can cash out. TimeBucks pays time TimeBucks pays weekly every Thursday, and here are your payment options like PayPal, go to wallet or payment. Here are your payment options like PayPal, Bitcoin, Pair, bank transfer for some countries. Just go to settings, then payment methods. Then select payment methods from here. And you are good to go. Want to earn more faster? Here are some tips. Focus on high paying service and offers. Do daily tasks consistently to unlock bonuses. Use a second email for signing up to apps or trials. Use a invite friends. TimeBucks pays you 50% commission for referral. Use a laptop or desktop. More tasks show up than on mobile. TimeBucks won't make you rich overnight, but it's a great side hustle if you are consistent, especially if you combine it with other earning apps. If this helped out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy money tips, and drop a comment if you want a part 2 like a live TimeBucks earnings challenge. So, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.